Hey friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. This is a very exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you some of top shortcut with the help of Windows key. So let's start. At first, how to open emoji panel. So I just create here a new text document and just open it. And now just press Windows key plus period or Windows key plus semicolon. So just press Windows key plus period. So here you can see the emojis and you can select any of the emojis. You can see it. And now just press Windows key plus semicolon. So this time it will be same. So now select any of emojis. So you can use the emoji panel and you can open the emoji panel with the help of shortcut key of Windows. So just press Windows key plus period. So the next shortcut is what? The next shortcut is Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. So just press Windows key plus E and now File Explorer has opened. So the next shortcut key is what? Windows key plus I to open Settings app. So just press Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Don't worry friends, I will give this information into the description box. So the next shortcut key is what? The next shortcut key in my list is Windows key plus A to open Action Center. So just press Windows key plus A. So now you can see the Action Center is here in the Windows 10 obviously. Now the next shortcut is what? The next shortcut is Windows key plus D to display and hide the desktop. So just press Windows plus D. Okay, now you can see this. So just open it again. So actually the tab is minimized. So now come to the next shortcut key, Windows key plus V to open Clipboard bin. So just press Windows key plus V. Now Clipboard has been opened. So now the next shortcut key is Windows key plus print screen to capture the screenshot. So just capture the screenshot. Press Windows key plus print screen and now open Paint or anything and now paste it here. So you can see this. So now close it. Don't save. And now the next shortcut key, and the next shortcut key is what? Windows key plus Shift plus S to capture the screenshot and snip and sketch it. So just press Windows key and then Shift and then S. And now capture the screen. So I just capture it. And now open it. Now you can edit it. Okay. So now you can edit it and crop it and now save it. Okay, so now close it at first. So the next shortcut key is what? The next shortcut key is Window key plus left arrow or right arrow to snap window left or right. So just press window and left arrow. Now you can see this. I just open Chrome here also and now I just press Windows key plus right. And now you can see the Chrome snap to the left position and now I just open this key shortcut and now again I press Window key plus right. Now you can see these are alter changed. So these are some top shortcut key you should know with the help of Windows key. So now at last Windows key plus L to lock the device. So just press Windows key plus L, then you have to sign in again to open the device. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you friends for watching this video. See you in next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you want to learn Django or Python, so just follow the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. Thank you again.